Step-by-step process. First, I go to Canva and choose the vertical size layout. Then, I add a sample video for testing. On top of the video, I need a black image to make it look less like raw footage and more like a stylized video. When subtitles are generated automatically, they appear clearly on videos like this. After that, I save the video and download it. Once the video is downloaded, I copy it into a folder named Videos. I've created a separate Videos folder to store these types of video clips. After saving the video, I go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a motivational quote. ChatGPT gives me a quote, and I copy that into CapCut, use text-to-speech to generate audio, and then download the audio file. Next, I save that audio inside an audio folder under the same videos directory. There's also a folder named AS, where all the subtitles will be stored with the .as extension. Now, I run a custom Python script I created, called the asenglish.py. This script automatically creates subtitle files inside the AS folder. Basically, it transcribes the audio and generates an .as subtitle file for it. After that, I place the video file inside the same folder I used earlier. In another folder named BG, I store background music, which should always be copyright-free. Then I run another custom script I built. It's the one with a vid.py. When I double-click to run it, it automatically generates the final video. It combines the video, audio, subtitles, and background music into one complete project.
Your journey won't always be easy. There will be days when you doubt your strength. Moments when giving up seems easier than going on. But remember why you started.
Secret techniques. In this process, I've used two secret methods. One to transcribe audio into subtitles, the second to automatically create the full video. This method is basic and designed just for testing. But if you want to work on advanced level videos, there are other secrets I use. I've developed over 50 custom scripts like these, which took me nearly 6 months to build. I created all these methods myself. I've even made scripts for social media automation, which I'll explain in upcoming videos. If you have any questions or face any issues, you can email me anytime. Thank you for watching.